Welcome to the expanded notation program. We're at level 1. We're being asked to express in standard notation. So we're writing this number in just as a regular number. So we have 6 times 10 to the 4. Now 10 to the 4 is 10,000. So 6 times 10,000 is 60,000. And 7 times 10 to the 1. 10 to the 1 is 10, so 70. So we have 60,000, 70. And then we have 9 times 10 to the 1. 10 to the 0. 10 to the 0 is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. So 60,079. Okay. Now there's a trick to all this. So 60,079. Okay. Now the trick to it is this, that you have 6. Notice you're followed by 1. Oops. So the 6 is followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 places, right? So 6 times 10 to the 4, the shortcut, the trick is 6 followed by 4 spaces. The 7 is followed by, times 10 to the 1, is followed by 1 space, okay? So the 7 is just followed by 1 space, okay? The 9 is followed by 0 spaces, so the 9 is right there, okay? And that is the trick to it all. All right, let's try another one using the same trick. Okay, so here we have 6 times 10 to the 6. So the 6 is going to be followed by 6 spaces, right? Times 10 to the 6. So I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3. No, you can't see those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the 9 is going to be followed by 5 spaces, so the 9 goes there. And the 5 is followed by 4 spaces, so the 5 goes here. So the 5 is followed by 4 spaces, and then the 2 is followed by 3 spaces. Then the 9 is followed by 2 spaces, and that's it, right? So these empty spaces just become zeros, like that. Okay, so here we have a 4 followed by 5 spaces. So 4 followed by 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 2 is followed by 4 spaces. Okay, so I'm going to put the 2 right here. And so it's followed by 4 spaces. The next 2 is followed by 1 space. So the next 2 is going to go here. And then the 5 is followed by 0 spaces. Okay, and we're left with 2 empty spaces here that we turn into zeros. Okay, that we fill up with zeros. And that's it. Okay. And then we press enter, and we can see that that's right. Okay, 6 times 10 to the 2, a 6 followed by 2 spaces, and then 4 followed by 0 spaces. Okay, so the 4 goes here, and the empty spots are filled up with zeros. All right, here we have 4 times 10 to the 5. So we have 4 followed by 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a 4 followed by 4 0 spaces. And then another 4 followed by 3 spaces, whoops, and then a 6 followed by 2 spaces, then a 4 followed by 1 space, and then a 2 followed by 0 spaces. Okay, and here we have a 3 followed by 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then a 9 followed by 0 spaces. So the 9 goes into the last space, and the rest of the little empty spaces are filled up with zeros. Okay, and that's that. Okay, we have time for one more example. This is 5, followed by 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 followed by 4 spaces, and then we have 3 followed by 3 spaces. And then a 5 followed by 2 spaces, and then a 5 followed by 1 space, and the empty space we turn into a 0. Okay, 8 followed by 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 followed by 3 spaces, then 5 followed by 2 spaces, then 1 followed by 1 space, and then 5 followed by 0 spaces, and that's it. All right, and that's it for level 1. Have a good day.